Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Meet me again. My name is Sakila Aura Molina. I will read about evolution of the microprocessor. The hardware revolution that brought about desktop and handheld computing was the invention of the microprocessor, which contains a processor on a single chip. Though originally much slower than multi-chip processor, microprocessors have continually evolved to the point that they are now much faster for mass computing due to the physics involved in moving information around in sub-nanosecond time frames. Not only have microprocessors become the fastest general-purpose processor available, they are now multiprocessor. Each chip college socket contains multiprocessor college cores, each with multi-levels of large memory cache and multi-logical processor sharing the execution units of each core. As of 2010, it is not unusual for even a laptop to have 2 or 4 cores, each with 2 hardware threads, for a total of 4 or 8 logical processors. Although processors provide very good performance for mass form of computing, there is increasing demand for numerical computation. Graphical processing units provide efficient computation on a rise of data using single instruction multi-data techniques pioneered in supercomputer eras. GPUs are no longer used just for rendering advanced graphics, but they are also used for general numerical processing, such as physics simulation for games or computation on a large spreadsheet. Simultaneously, the CPUs themselves are gaining the capability of operating on a rise of data with increasingly powerful vector units integrated into the processor architecture of the x86 and AMD SIG4 families. And GPUs are not the end of the computational story for the modern PC. Digital signals processors are also present for dealing with streaming signals such as audio or videos. DSPs used to be embedded in 10 devices like modems, but they are now becoming with-class computational devices, especially in handhelds. Other specialized computational devices fixed function units coexist with the CPU to support other standard computation, such as encoding or decoding speech and video codecs, or providing support for encryption and security. To satisfy the requirements of handheld device, the classic microprocessor is giving way to the system on a chip, where not just the CPUs and chips are on the same chip, but also many of the other components of the system, such as DSPs, GPUs, 10 device, and main memory. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.